So we want to collect dust under the stained glass on the windowsill, and then we will collect some dust that's not, so we have some comparison. If you walk into a Catholic church, you almost always see stained glass windows. It's beautiful. The church for hundreds of years have used stained glass windows to tell the stories, to inspire. To this day, most new churches built are still using lead as the frame for stained glass windows.
We knew that lead was used in the production of the framing of the stained glass, and that kind of got our wheels turning, is that going to produce anything harmful? Our first initial question is why did they keep using lead? It's 2025.
So lead is very malleable and flexible, so it's ductile in this way. It's very easy to mold or to cast. And once it's been exposed to the weather or the elements, it develops a fine patina that actually protects it from future corrosion. Basically, what I'm telling you is that lead is kind of a miracle material. The trouble is that lead is toxic to humans. Repeated exposure to lead is what leads to neurological problems, and you usually don't know you've had repeated exposure to lead until the symptoms start to emerge. And when the symptoms start to emerge, well, then it's too late to do anything about it.
Most parishes don't know that the stained glass windows is a source of lead dust contamination. So even just bring this knowledge to them, this awareness to them, it's a big step.
The first challenge we had to overcome was actually being able to go to the churches and test, because it's a sensitive subject. Nobody wants to go find out they have lead in their facility. We had to make sure we worded things very carefully and made our intentions clear that this is for our own research development, and then we will give a report to you to remediate it if there's something to remediate.
All those little green specks are lead. That's lead, and that spray is forming a count. The number one recommendation is more frequent dust cleaning, especially on the windowsills that are low enough if you have children going to these churches.
The church research and what we're doing is very much our own project, but our connection with Notre Dame allows us access to facilities and just resources that we wouldn't have otherwise. We're in collaboration with the Lieberman Lab, so they have those instruments that we need.
It is important that we support each other. We share our expertise, we share our resources, and we work together. We're not gonna just close the door and tackle a problem ourselves. All right.
Here at Holy Cross, we give the students the chance to see that they have the courage to go out and contribute to this world and God's kingdom. Dr. Zhang has taken a chance on these students that they will do well and develop, and the students are taking a risk and saying, I'm going to try and step out of my comfort zone and really delve into this and see how I can make a concrete contribution to the community.
This hands-on community research very much helps you in that confidence of being a scientist. We were doing something that people were interested in and that had an actual community impact, and I think that really sparked a love for research for me.
I think I am more focused on their character building through chemistry. That is one of the best way to educate. Rolling up their sleeves and get to the community and help solve problems.